Hi everyone, welcome to WP Pocket. Creating a separate page for your blog post is very easy. You just need to do few changes in your website. Normally WordPress shows all your blog posts in your home page. So to create a separate page for your blog post, you need two pages, one for your home page and the second for your blog page. I have already created both the pages. If you have not created it yet, then you can click on the add new and create your page. After creating both the pages, go to the settings, then go to the reading. Here you will see two options, your latest post, which is currently enabled on my website, and the second option is a static page. Select this option. Now select the page which you want to show as home page and then select the page which you want to show as post page. You can also customize these settings as per your requirement. Then click Save Changes. Now go to your website and refresh this page. As you can see, now my home page is loading as my home page. Now go to your dashboard, go to the appearance, then go to the menus. Now click on the view all, select your blog page, then click add to menu. Now just drag and drop where you want to show the blog page, then click save menu. Now go to your website and refresh this page. You will also see blog in your menu. Just click on this and it will load your blog page. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching WP Pocket.